AI chip stocks surge amid record demand. Is NVIDIA still the king? Introduction. We are living in the age of artificial intelligence, a technological revolution so profound that it's transforming industries, economies, and entire ways of life. From powering ChatGPT and self-driving cars to automating financial markets and advancing medical research, AI has become the engine of the digital era. But AI doesn't run on ideas alone. It runs on chips, specifically AI accelerators and GPUs, that deliver the computational horsepower needed to process massive datasets and complex models. This exploding demand has sparked a massive surge in AI chip stocks, pushing market valuations to historic highs. And leading the charge is NVIDIA, the once humble graphics card maker that now sits atop the AI hardware throne. But is NVIDIA's dominance unshakable? Or are challengers like AMD, Intel, Broadcom, and custom AI chipmakers closing in fast? This article explores the global AI chip race, analyzing the companies, trends, risks, and opportunities shaping this dynamic sector. 1. Understanding the AI chip ecosystem. Before diving into company performance, let's define what AI chips are and why they matter. What are AI chips? AI chips are specialized processors designed to accelerate machine learning and deep learning workloads. Traditional CPUs struggle with AI's parallel processing needs, which is where GPUs, graphics processing units, and ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, shine. Key chip types in AI. GPUs, great for training deep learning models. TPUs, Google's AI-focused chips for internal use. ASICs, custom chips optimized for specific AI tasks, e.g., voice recognition. FPGAs, programmable chips useful in edge devices and prototypes. Why demand is skyrocketing. Generative AI models require exponential compute power. Tech giants are building huge AI data centers. Edge AI is spreading to phones, drones, and medical devices. AI startups are raising billions for innovation. As AI shifts from experimentation to deployment, demand for high-performance chips is soaring. NVIDIA, the king of AI chips. No discussion of AI chips can begin without NVIDIA. From gaming to AI supremacy, NVIDIA revolutionized gaming with its powerful GPUs, but its true genius was in pivoting early to AI. By 2012, researchers discovered that NVIDIA's CUDA-powered GPUs were ideal for neural networks. By 2025, NVIDIA controls over 80% of the AI chip training market. Its H100 and H200 chips are industry standards. It's embedded deeply in the AI infrastructure of Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Meta, Amazon, and Tesla. Financial dominance. 2024 was a blockbuster year. Revenue exceeded $100 billion, driven by its data center division. Net income grew to $45 billion, with margins topping 45%. Stock price soared 220%, making NVIDIA a $2.8 trillion company. Its core advantage? Software lock-in. Developers love CUDA, TensorRT, and QDNN. Combined with industry-leading hardware, this forms an almost unbreakable moat. 3. AMD, the challenger rising fast. Advanced Micro Devices AMD has become NVIDIA's fiercest competitor. MI300 series, a game changer. AMD's new MI300X and MI300A chips, built on its CDNA3 architecture, are optimized for AI workloads. These GPUs are now being adopted by Microsoft Azure, Meta, and Oracle Cloud. Strengths: cost-efficient versus NVIDIA, custom chip designed for cloud AI, strong in CPU plus GPU combo platforms. Weaknesses: smaller developer ecosystem. CUDA still dominates AI frameworks. Investor confidence. AMD's stock surged over 90% in 2024, and with $6.5 billion in AI-related revenue expected this year, analysts believe AMD could double that by 2026. 4. Intel, the comeback story. Once the undisputed chip giant, Intel missed the early AI wave. Now, it's fighting back. New AI chips and fabs, Gaudi 2 and Gaudi 3 AI accelerators, are targeting inference markets. Ponte Vecchio GPUs are Intel's answer to NVIDIA's AI dominance. Huge investments in U.S. fabs under Intel Foundry Services IFS align with the CHIPS Act. Challenges: still behind in training GPU performance, slower software development, reluctant cloud adoption. Yet, with Intel betting $100 billion in foundries and AI R&D, it's far from out of the game. 5. Other big players and disruptors. Apple and Google. Apple's M4 chips integrate neural engines for on-device AI tasks. Google's TPUs power internal AI, particularly for search and Google Cloud. While they don't sell chips broadly, they reduce dependency on NVIDIA and AMD. Amazon AWS, Trainium and Inferentia chips are designed in-house to optimize cloud AI performance and lower cost. Amazon's custom chips now support Hugging Face, PyTorch, and more. Often overlooked, Broadcom designs custom silicon for Google and Meta. It's strong in networking and AI accelerators at scale. 6. The rise of AI chip startups. Cerebras, Grok, and Tenstorrent startups are attacking NVIDIA's weak spots: cost, size, and efficiency. Cerebras offers a wafer-scale engine, the largest chip ever built. Grok emphasizes deterministic AI with low latency. Tenstorrent, backed by Jim Keller, is working on a scalable OpenAI compute platform. While these players aren't yet mainstream, they're gaining attention from enterprise clients and investors alike. Summer 7. The China Factor and Geopolitical Risks. U.S. export controls. The Biden administration has banned exports of NVIDIA's top chips, A100, H100, to China, limited advanced chip sales to Huawei and others, pushed the Chips and Science Act to revive U.S. semiconductor independence. China's response. China is investing over $50 billion in domestic AI chip production, backing companies like Cambricon, Byron, and Huawei's Ascend chips, smuggling or reverse engineering AI chips through indirect supply chains. The AI chip war is not just economic, it's strategic and nationalistic. 8. Financial markets. Market performance. AI chip stocks have outperformed all sectors. NVIDIA, 220%, 2024. AMD, 90%. Broadcom, 60%. AI chip ETFs, plus 85%. Valuation risks. NVIDIA trades at 70x forward earnings, far above historical norms. If growth slows or competition rises, corrections could be sharp. Some analysts warn of dot-com-style overheating. Still, most institutional players believe AI is a decade-long megatrend, not a short-term cycle. 9. What's driving the next wave of AI chips? Technological trends. 3D chip stacking enhances bandwidth and reduces latency. Chiplet design, mix and match chip components from multiple vendors. Photonic chips use light instead of electricity, faster and cooler. Quantum AI hybrids, still experimental but promising. Software innovation. AMD's Rob Stack is improving fast. Intel's One API aims to unify development across chips. Open source tools like Hugging Face transformers are hardware agnostic. 10. Conclusion. Is NVIDIA still the king? As of mid-2025, NVIDIA remains the undisputed leader in AI chip technology. It controls the software layer, CUDA, hardware performance, H100, H200, and cloud integration in a way no other company currently can. However, that leadership is no longer guaranteed. AMD is closing the performance gap with every generation. Intel is building a vertically integrated AI ecosystem. Big tech players are designing their own chips. Startups are innovating faster and targeting new AI niches. Geopolitical risks could reshuffle the market entirely. The battle for AI chip dominance has become the semiconductor equivalent of a Cold War, where power, profit, and prestige are on the line. So, is NVIDIA still the king? Yes, but it's now a contested crown. Investors, engineers, and strategists must prepare for a future where the AI chip landscape is defined not by a single leader, but by a constellation of players, each optimizing for a different slice of the AI revolution.